Hello humans, I'm Johannes from DONKONG and we just released a new sample pack today. It's called Hello World and it's up on Bandcamp for only $5. So if you want to support us, much appreciated. This is the best way. There are lots of glitchy and weird sounds in it, like lots of sound design stuff. In this video I will show you how I made the demo song for the pack. So I only used sounds from the pack and build a little drop with it. So, if you want to check out the sounds, watch the video, have fun.
Hello World.
I'll just start off with some kicks. I think I'll just pick this one. I like this. It's a pretty dirty one. And I think today I'll just work with audio because I'm lazy. I think I'll go for a clap. I think I want to shorten this clap, so I'll switch to MIDI. Now hi-hats. Oh, this one is good. Oh, and the second hi-hat, maybe 16s or something like that. Some groove. Just a layer. And now a little filler sounds. Another hi-hat. There are also some pretty nice percussion sounds in here, so let me take a look. Oh yeah. I think I'll just put them in there randomly. Alright, I think it's time for some atmosphere. I like this. That's one of our trademark synth sounds right now. So I think I'll just use this one on the one. Yeah, this one could be really reverby or delayed maybe. Oh yeah, this crash sounds cool. Like really mellow. Now let's see what kind of drop we're making.
A few moments later. Hello World. Hello World.
Alright, let's go. Maybe I can just push this a bit to the right, more laid back. Some little growl. Little brass layer. Oh, I think I'll just use this as a reverse sweep type thing.
Hello World.
Oh, that's creepy. Maybe we can layer that somehow. Yeah, cut it just like the wobble. Maybe I put some kickstart on this to get some more movement.
Hello World.
maybe. Oh, this is crazy. I think I'll just put this after the first 4, just as a little glitch. Maybe we can add a little melody. Oh yeah, I like the atmosphere. Maybe we can also loop this inside the sampler. I'll just bring in the pad later, maybe. So I'll just copy this and kill this right here. A different note here. So now we could automate the loop length of our little synth here to get a bit more movement in there. A little automation right there, LFO. Okay, now let's build a little creepy build up right here.
Hello world.
I'll just need to get rid of the clicks, so I'll add some fading and some low cut. So, a little cutoff. Add a little pitch down at the end for our lead synth. Yeah. Cue.
Hello. Hello world. Hello world.
This one maybe.
Hello world.
So now we have only one little gap right there at the end. So I think I want a different wobble for the main drop because it's a bit too hard. Let's see. Yeah, maybe this one. Oh yeah, change the pitch. So, thanks for watching. This video was a bit less instructional than usual because I didn't prepare anything. I was just improvising with the pack. But I think you could take a little sneak peek at all the sounds we put in there. So, I hope you get the pack on Bandcamp. It would be really cool. See you next time.